up, guys? Today, TechVid here, and today we're going to be unboxing my dad's old AirPods again. Yay! No. Today we're going to be unboxing the new AirPods Pro, which are the AirPods 3rd generation. So these are the new ones. These are now mine because I just finished cleaning them for this video. And yeah, this right here is the new AirPods Pro. So these are the ones, so the 3rd and 2nd generation AirPods have wireless charging, and this one, the Pros, have noise cancellation. So there's a little hidden button on the side of these sticks on the AirPods, which are actually two buttons to enable transparency mode, which actually makes life sound like there's no sound minus your music. Yeah, there's quite literally way too much music that you can actually listen to. That's what Apple thinks. And Apple thinks you can also pay a lot of money to earn Apple Music Premium, I think it's called. So yeah, just a second. Sorry guys, I had to clean up from the last unboxing. I didn't completely finish up cleaning, so just so that it can look kind of like a throwback, I actually repackaged these AirPods, my dad's AirPods, because we never threw out the box. So we're going to be unboxing both of them. First, let's start by comparing them by boxes. So the AirPods Pro boxes are way thicker. The back, yeah, this one has just it standing on top of an invisible wireless charging pad. This one has it being plugged in to a wired cable charger. And yeah, this on the sides you get Apple AirPods and AirPods Pro with wireless charging case, and then the information. So these have stereo audio, and I believe these do too. So let's open them up. First, let's start with the satisfactory stuff, which is on the AirPods Pro, since they're brand new from factory. Oh gosh, not again! This tripod keeps breaking on me. This tripod keeps on breaking on me. I really have to get a different tripod and use that for unboxings. I have a different one, but it's too big. Oh, come on, not again! This tripod keeps breaking. Oh, don't buy Mercury Inventions. Just like I said in the MacBook Pro unboxing. Ooh! And then next, we need to peel the rest of it off. Nice. You can hear that this one is more rattly because I don't know how to repackage them completely. So here, let's open them up. So first, starting with the AirPods, the original ones. Yep, you see here, designed by Apple in California. And let's open these up for the first time. 3, 2, 1. What? It's not coming out. Please come out. AirPods, please come out. Pro. Yeah, just like the old ones, you get the old designed by Apple in California booklet that you get with almost every Apple product. So here it is. Oh, sorry. I moved the tripod so that you could see better, but now I'm out of frame already again. So here, we lift it up. You get the AirPods nicely tucked away inside. Here you go. What? Yeah, that what was supposed to be loud. Oh, yeah. So now, let's see what's in here. We have the AirPods Pro. Wow. This actually feels nice. Kind of like the power brick that the MacBook Pro came with. It feels kind of like that, the wrapping. And then let's pull her out. Let's pull the new beauty thing out. The fashion thing today. Ooh, let's set the main event to the side. Nice for saviors. Nice for saving. Let's pull this up. And you get... Oh, this is so cool. I forgot. The new AirPods actually have interchangeable tips. So let's open up the packaging here. Wow. So that's a lot of tips. My dad can adjust them however he wants. Let's set that back inside because I'm not supposed to be messing with that. All I'm here to do is unbox it and review it. So here we have the power cables. Sorry for being sleepy. Here are the power cables. I'm sleepy because this is a boring part. Okay, let's get into the actual main event. What we've all been waiting for. The amazing nothing. So let's put this back in. Is that the way you're supposed to put it back in? Yeah, that's the way you're supposed to put it back in. I'll repackage it so my dad can have the fun of opening it up again. Here we go. The shiny stuff. 3, 2, 1, drop it. Whoa, look at that. This time they have colorful lights, not just one color. Unlike the other AirPods. So now let's set these aside. And let's get out the old AirPods, the first gen ones. So here you peel them out. No, let's actually get into the others first that you already saw in the other video. So here you don't have the interchangeable tips because this is not the Pro. So now let's put that in. It's just a power cable. Okay, so now let's set that back in there. And let's get into the AirPods. I feel like the tape on this is starting to get weak. Okay, so now let's get these out. Plop. Oh no! No. What's up, Doc? I'm not gonna destroy my AirPods, Doc. Even if it was for $1 million. What if I gave you $1 million? Nah, Doc. They're my father's. I ain't giving these up. So yeah, guys. I kind of cleaned it. This kind of looks new. The old ones. So now, at the bottom you get lightning port on both of them, which means, where's the MacBook Pro? Here's the MacBook Pro's adapter. Let's plug them in. I don't know why I'm even doing this. And why do I even exist? Okay, let's plug this in to there. Plug this in to here. Open up. You get smaller AirPods. Nice. Sorry. But no, we close it back up. And close it. And open these guys up. And oh, wow, these are big. Where are the hidden buttons? Here they are. So this is the hidden button I was telling you about. If you can see, focus camera, focus on your test. Okay, so here, if you can see here, that is the transparency mode / this mode. The whatchamacallit mode, what sound cancellation mode. See, look, it's even on the other one. This is the non-engraved model since, yeah, this is not from Apple. This is from Amazon. They have a different design for opening up the box. So now let's see if this charger works with this. It's not working. Oh, never mind, they do. They kind of work. I think it's just because the MacBook is just closed and shut off. So let's just unplug that. Ah, nice. So now let's get into the main events. So here we have in the new ones. Oh wait, these are the old ones, I think. AirPods. Yeah, this is the old one. Sorry. Sorry for getting everything mixed up. So here on the old ones, we have AirPods, the compatible devices, warranty, even more warranty. Oh, where did the Apple stickers go? I don't think these things ship with Apple stickers. I don't think AirPods ship with Apple stickers with them. So now let's set these back inside of the box so that we can get into the Pros. Oh, wow, it's a Pro. It's a Pro. Okay, so now let's see what's in here. AirPods Pro, warranty, 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 warranty. Are there 3 warranty papers? Oh, no, wait. One of them's actually a safety and handling paper. I wasn't reading. Sorry. Why you gotta be so rude? Get in there. So now, the AirPods Pro has noise cancellation, which the AirPods do not. But the AirPods, the benefits that the AirPods, get in there, that the AirPods, the original, the OG AirPods have, is that they can actually, that means that they're not taking up so much space because of the noise cancellation chip that's built into there, that's, I believe, soldered on to there. So now, here we have the box for, what am I doing? I keep on doing everything the wrong way today. Yeah, get in there. And then here, we have the old ones, get in there. So now, the boxes shall go into the rarity box pile where I put a bunch of Apple product boxes. Here we have, so yeah, pretty much this looks like AirPods, but they're sideways. See, look. Except, yeah, these have differences. So I think I'm actually going to end this review here. So thank you so much for watching this mini review and unboxing of the new AirPods Pro. Be sure to like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any future updates and videos like the MacBook Pro review. Bye! Hey, what is up, guys? TechVid here, and today I'm going to be showing you... Okay, fine. It's the end of the video. It's near the end of the video anyways. So what I wanted to show you guys is how to set up your AirPods. So first, you'll need to unlock your phone. Since these old ones are mine now, I've cleaned them up. I'm going to show you how to set them up with my iPhone. So, these are the first gens, not the third gen Pros that I just unboxed. My dad just finished setting them up on his phone. So now for me to set them up on my phone. So, first you'll need to unlock your phone. It'll not set up whenever you just automatically put it on a different side or like put it on top of your phone. No. You'll need to press and hold the back button, which is a reset button. And then it'll factory reset your AirPods so that you can start using them. Now, what you'll need to do is... No, you're not turning off. No. Okay. So what you'll need to do is flick open this, the top of your AirPods. See, look. Here, let me quickly flick them open while we're recording. 3, 2, 1. I don't think my phone's looking for them. I think my phone is dead. Phone, are you alive in there? Are you alive? Can you get any signals? Sorry, guys. But actually, there's another step to this. Oh, good. Now, oh wait, these do flash white whenever they're brand new. Okay, let's now do this. Yeah, it's not going to work. I forgot to tell you guys something. You might actually need Bluetooth enabled to set up your AirPods. Okay, now I am not connecting to the many speakers that I have that are Bluetooth that have been thrown away. No. So 3, 2, 1. Ah, there we go. You do need... No, please, stop. I just wanted to set up my new AirPods. Okay, so now... Open up. No! These things are so snappy. They keep on closing on me. Yeah? Hello? AirPods? I think the AirPods died now. No! Okay, this phone does not like my AirPod. Oh, you just need to put it at the bottom. Then it'll connect. Okay, so now not your AirPods. AirPods are not connected to this phone. Okay, connect. Because these are mine now. Hold button. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Hold button. Yeah, press and hold. Connecting. Whoa. Me AirPods. Oh wait, that's what my dad names all of his Apple products. There we go. What does it say? Okay, nice. I can listen to music. At least this will have better battery life than my phone. What? It didn't connect my AirPods. Oh, I want to quickly rename them. How do you rename your AirPods? Okay, guys. So, I'll be back after I find out how to rename your AirPods. Now I found out how to set it up. So, what you need to do is click on connect. So, open up your AirPods. And then, open the lid of them. Click on connect inside of Bluetooth settings. Okay, click connect, please. And once it connects, yeah, it's connected now. Yeah, I just changed the name because I found out how I could. Okay, now let me do that. Click on that, and then click on I now. After clicking connecting and then clicking I, then you can change the name right here. And then, yeah. Double tap. So yeah, these are a lot of cool things that you can do with your AirPods. So yeah, thank you for checking out my video. Now it's actually the end. Bye!